Children, this question is taken from metals and non-metals. Right. First, what is given in this question? Different conditions are given, and on the basis of given conditions, identify the nature of compound, bond, and explanation for formation of MgCl2, and last one, reason for melting point of high melting point of NaCl and sodium chloride. Common salt, it means sodium chloride does not conduct electricity in the molten state. Right? Now, complete question. In the formation of compound between two elements which are A and B, A loses 2 electrons and B gains 1 electron. What is the nature of bond formed between them on the basis of given conditions? A atom loses 2 electrons. Right? Equation for this part. A loses 2 electrons and B gains 1 electron. One atom of B element gains 1 electron. And formation of anion. Right? A forms cation and B forms anion. What is the nature of bond formed between them? Here one atom is a donor of electrons and second atom is acceptor of electrons, right? But in balanced form, same number of electrons are accepted by B atom. One B atom accepts 1 electron, gains 1 electron. Then total how many atoms are required? 2 atoms of B element, right? Like this, 2B plus 2 electrons and formation of 2B minus. What is the nature of bond formed between them, between A and B element? This bond is ionic bond, right? Nature of chemical bond between cation and anion. Between metal ion and non-metal anion is always ionic bond, right? Formula of the compound by the combination of A and B. Formula of compound. This is bivalent, cation is bivalent, anion is monovalent. Then formula is reaction between A and B. Formula is AB2. AB, right? Now, C part is based on previous parts, right? First and second parts. Explain the formation of MgCl2. In MgCl2, magnesium is bivalent cation and Cl is monovalent anion. Then formation of MgCl2. This compound is ionic in nature and formation of ionic compound is based on exchange of electrons, not sharing of electrons. Right? Here donor of electron is magnesium atom and acceptor of electrons is Cl. Right? Explain the formation like this. Now formation of MgCl2, magnesium atom is metal atom and Cl is non-metal. What is the strong tendency of metal atom? To lose valence electrons and non-metal just opposite. Right? Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 2. 2 electrons are lost by magnesium atom. This is the scientific notation for cation formation. For formation of Mg plus 2 ion. Right? And this notation is showing formation of Cl minus ion. 2 electrons are accepted by 2 chlorine atoms. The formation of 2 chloride ions. Right? In terms of bond structure, the strong force of attraction, which is electrostatic force or ionic bond between Mg2 plus ion and 2 Cl minus ions, right? And this is showing formation in terms of loss of electrons and gain of electrons. Mg atom loses 2 electrons, right? 2 valence electrons are present. This arrow is showing loss of electron. One electron is accepted by one chlorine atom and second electron is accepted by second chlorine atom. Right? And 7 valence electrons like this. 7 valence electrons are present in outermost orbit of each chlorine atom. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Completion of octet of chlorine atom by accepting 1 electron from magnesium atom. Okay, children, complete notation for formation of FgCl2. Common salt conducts electricity only in the molten state. Why? Common salt. What is common salt? Common salt is rock salt. What is rock salt? Sodium chloride, NaCl, right? And NaCl is ionic compound. And ionic compound exists in the form of crystal lattice, not single molecule, as lattice. It means as network structure. Ionic compound always exists in 3-dimensional manner. Always forms network structure, which is also known as crystal lattice. Lattice means network and crystal means perfect geometry, regular geometry, right? Perfect arrangement of ions in which form? In the form of lattice. Okay? Then in lattice structure, ions are not free to move. Ions are not free to move. And in ionic compounds, conductivity is shown due to free ions, not due to free electrons, right? And what is the reason? In the molten state, sodium chloride conducts electricity but not in solid state. Because in solid state, ions are not free to move due to the presence of very strong force of attraction, which is called ionic bond. But in molten state, ions are free to move like this. This distance increases between ions, which increases mobility of ions, right? And in this state, ions are completely free. Why is melting point of sodium chloride high? Answer is based on this rules. High melting point of ionic compound, right? Ionic compounds always show higher melting point than covalent compound due to the presence of strong force or ionic bond in ionic compound.